Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for TS Intermediate first year students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject economics 100% pass important questions for the upcoming examination March 2025. So students, watch the video with full concentration because whatever questions I'm sharing in this video that are 100% important for your upcoming examination. Now on screen you can see the question paper pattern. The paper carries 100 marks and the time duration is 3 hours, and the paper consists of 3 parts: part A, part B and part C. Part A is for 30 marks. So in part A, answer any 3 of the following 5 questions in 40 lines each, and each question carries 10 marks. So here in part A you have to write any 3 questions from the 5 questions, and each question carries 10 marks. So if you attempt 3 questions, 3 into 10, 30 marks. Now part B, in part B answer any 8 of the following 12 questions in 20 lines each. So you have to write any 8 questions from the given 12 questions. So each question carries 5 marks. So 8 into 5, 40 marks. And part C, answer any 15 of the following 20 questions in 5 lines each. So here you have to write any 15 questions from the given 20 questions, and each question carries 2 marks. So 15 into 2, 30 marks. So part A 30 marks, part B 40 marks, part C 30 marks. So 30 plus 40 plus 30, total will be 100 marks. Now on screen you can see the long questions, that is LAQs, that carries 10 marks. First, describe the law of diminishing marginal utility and its limitations. 100% important question. What are the various methods of calculating national income? Explain them. 100% important. Explain the meaning of perfect competition. Illustrate the mechanism of price determination. Very important. Question number 4. Explain the Keynesian theory of employment. 100% important. Critically examine the law of variable proportion. 100% important question. Explain the internal and external economies. Very important. So students, these are the LAQs that carries 10 marks and that are very important. So total 6 LAQs I am sharing in this video and that are very important. Now short questions, SAQs, that carries 5 marks. First, explain the scarcity definition of economics. What is utility? What are its types? Distinguish between microeconomics, microeconomics. Analyze the characteristics of wants. What is the indifference curve? Discuss its properties and assumption. So first question is very important. Question number 3 is also very important. Now next question, illustrate the reason for negative sloping demand curve. 100% important. Explain the exceptions to the law of demand. 100% important question. Point out the importance of price elasticity of demand. Very important. So students, whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are very important. So start your preparation from these questions because these are very important and definitely you will get from these questions only. Now next important question, SAQs are: what is supply? Explain the determinants of supply. 100% important. What are the internal economies of scale? Very important. What is monopoly? What are its characteristics? Very important. What are the determining factor of real wage? 100% important. What are the factors that determine national income? Definitely this question will come in your examination. 100% important. What are the factors that determine national income? Very important. Question number 13 and question number 14 very important. And question number 9 is also very important. What is supply? Explain the determinants of supply. Question number 11, what is monopoly? What are its characteristics? That is also very important. Now next important questions are: what are the sources of public revenue? 100% important. List out the various items of public expenditure. Very important. Point out the redemption methods of public debt. What are the characteristics of monopolistic competition? 100% important. Define inflation and explain its types and causes. 100% important question. Define inflation and explain its types and causes. So students, define inflation, explain its types. He will ask you, or maybe he will ask you, explain, define inflation and explain its causes. Very very important. Types and causes of inflation is very very important, 100% important. Definitely this question will come in your examination. And question number 14, what are the sources of public revenue? That is also very very important, 100% important. So start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I'm sharing in this video, that are very very important. Now next important question is, what is barter system? What are its difficulties? Very important. Explain the primary and secondary functions of money, 100% important. Define commercial bank, explain different kinds of deposit accepted by commercial bank, 100% important question. And what is barter system? What are its difficulties? This is also a very very important question, and barter system is important for 2 marks also. So these are the important questions, SAQs. And explain the primary and secondary functions of money, 100% important. Definitely this question will come in your upcoming examination. And commercial bank, explain different kinds of deposit accepted by commercial bank. This is also very very important. Now next important questions, SAQs are, what is statistics? Explain its relationship with economics. Very important. What is arithmetic mean, median and mode? Explain its merits and drawback. So students, maybe in the examination he will ask you what is mean, or maybe he will ask you median, or separately he will ask you mode, and explain the merits and demerits of mean, median and mode. Next, calculate mean for the data given below, 10, 20, 50, 15, 5, 40, 65 and 35. So from the given data, here you have to calculate the value of mean. So very important question. Now next important questions, SAQs are, calculate median for the following data. Data is 50, 60, 80, 100, 150, 200 and 375. Next question, calculate median for the following data. Data is marks, students 40, 53, 60, 72, 80. Marks, students 5, 8, 10, 14, 20. Next, calculate mode for the following data. Wages is there, persons are there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the wages. Persons 2, 6, 8, 20, 15, 12. So from these given data you have to calculate the value of mode. Now next, on screen you can see the very short questions, VSAQs, that carries 2 marks. First is, what is microeconomics? 100% important. Draw the indifference map. Very very important. Explain ordinal utility. What is net banking? Explain the merits of it. 100% important. What is per capita income? 100% important. What is per capita income? Definitely this question will come in your examination. What is net banking? Explain its merits is also very very important. What is oligopoly? This is also important. What is net interest? Write in brief about GST, 100% important. Explain cross elasticity of demand, very very important. What is contract rent? Very very important. So students, these are the important questions for the subject economics for intermediate first year. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group also, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation. Now next, VSAQs are, expand CSO. What is its responsibility? 100% important. What is opportunity cost? Explain the types of inflation. Very important. What is currency? Very very important. What is pie diagram? 100% important. What is demand function? This is also 100% important. Explain economic goods. Very important. What is budget? Very very important. So important VSAQs that carries 2 marks for intermediate first year students. Now next important VSAQs are, what are the selling costs? Very important. What is barter system? Overdraft, very very important. Explain the concept of harmonic mean, very important. Compute median for the given data. Data is 5, 7, 10, 11, 20, 15, 25 and 30. And compute mode for the data, 8, 12, 17, 22, 50, 30, 38 and 42. So students, these are the important questions for the subject economics for intermediate first year. So start your preparation from these questions. Like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.